Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can put this tablet into your dishwasher. So first of all we have to open it. Next, when it's not open, so it will be probably like that, you have to press this button. It will jump out like that and you will have enough space to input this tablet right here. To close it, you just have to slide and hold. To open, click on this gray button one more time. To close it, slide and hold. After a few moments, it will stay like that, because when you try to slide, it will just jump out. So you have to slide, hold, and that's all. After that, you can just simply set the program on your dishwasher and everything will be fine. You have to just click start button. That's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.